Right, so we're here back in Silverstone for JapFest. This is one of the biggest shows for us here in the UK, and as you can see, the stand is heaving. We've got a massive selection of cars. Loads of customers have joined us for the weekend. We've got Tristan on the coffees. We've got our friends from the Stickers Shack with us as well. And we've got our own stand set up the back, selling all our merchant products as well. We're going to take you inside, give you a look around, show you some of the cars that have joined us, and show you the general vibes of what we do here at AutoFinesse. Let's go.